Hey y'all, we're gonna make some sausage gravy and some tomato gravy for breakfast. All right, I got biscuits in the oven and I've made the sausage gravy, so now we're gonna make the tomato gravy. So I'm gonna make my roux, a little flour in the bacon grease. And then you remember to let that flour cook a minute or so you cook the raw out of that flour. And you have to stay here with it. You can't leave it because it will burn. Okay, so now that's about the color you want your roux. So I'm gonna add chicken broth. And then whisk that in. And it's gonna thicken as it cooks. Okay, so now I'm gonna add, I have a can of fire roasted tomatoes. So we're gonna pour that in. And then crumble up your bacon. Okay, and that's it. Some salt, pepper, and just let it hang out here and thicken up. Okay, and there's the tomato gravy. And there's our sausage gravy. Biscuits just came out of the oven. Let's get this plated. Okay, this is the tomato gravy. Everybody else is gonna have both. I don't like sausage gravy, so I'm having just tomato. So let's eat, y'all.